Hi kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we? The anomalistic month is a term astronomers use referring to the successive phases of the moon through its closest point to Earth, equal to 27.5 days. Remember, our moon's orbit isn't set and fixed in space, and as it orbits, it rotates only once a month, which is why we only see one side of it. So its nearest point each month to Earth changes and advances around this orbit, completing one full circuit every 8 years, 8 months back to its first point. As a consequence, this month is 5.5 hours longer than the month our calendar knows. So every so often, we need adjusting to this.